Right, good morning everyone. Now this morning, I know it's been a while since I've done a video, but I've been extremely busy sorting out the craft room, sorting out the office and things like that. So it's not going to be it is a tutorial in a way, but right now I have a stack, and I mean a stack of pearls. And, you know, large, small, medium, tiny, natural, pearl chain. I've just got all kinds of things, but I want to make something from it all. I don't want them to just sit. That's not good. And so, to do just that, we're going to make something. So you'll just have to bear with me. I've got my drink. Because what I'd like to do is to make like a flower. So I've got all kinds of bits and pieces here. And I do have a tray. And I want a flower to go up, to put that in the middle, I think. So I'm just going to put my tray there. Let me just make sure you can see. Yes. Okay. And then move these out of the way so I can play around. Now, I'm using just pincers and some pliers. I've got different kinds of wire. Now, I don't know if you remember, I bought some nice wire to use in my crafting and it's just disappeared. Scissors have just disappeared. I don't know where the hell where it's all going. Because I've done the craft room out and I've almost finished. When it's finished, I'll show you. So, yeah, I don't know. I don't know where it is. And, so I don't know where my tools are going and things like that and my wires. I will come across them probably. But right now, I've only got what I've got in my little pot at the side of me and that. So I'm just going to choose a wire, which I think I'm going to just try and use this one to start with. And I want the 4mm pearl to start with. So I'm just going to tip those out. Look, even got a spoon in there. Don't know why. I don't know what it is. It's just beading wire. You look on the internet for it, you can get it. And I'm taking quite a bit off because I'm not sure how much I'm going to need. But I'm going to be making petals. So this should be thin enough. So I'm just start with a larger flower at the bottom. No, I'm not going to. I'm going to do the it's going to be a fidgety little thing to do, but I'll speed the camera up. So I'm just going to put on 3mm beads. I might need to bring my arm over to look and see what I'm doing. Oh, that's a little bit better. Come on, mate, you can come over a bit more. Wait a minute, folks. So you might be able to see a little bit better as well. Open. They're fiddly out there. So how many have I got on there, did I say? So I want 6 to start with. That's 5. Then 6. Then I'm going to put the large one on, which is the what millimetre was this one? Can't remember. And then just go back to threading 6 of those on. My fingers don't work like they used to, sorry folks. One more to that. Okay, now I'm going to leave a pretty long arm on them, but all I'm going to do there is twist that. Now you can carry on and make the next one, but I'm going to make mine individually. And I'm going to leave about 2 inches on there, like that. Then I'm going to snip that. And that's my first petal. You see, like that. And I need to make maybe 5 or 6 of those. Right, so now I've got all of those done. I'm just going to put these pearls back. I don't need them just yet. There we go. I've got all of those. Yep. So I'm just going to put this mat, they lost one, in my box. So you can actually see, because it's a bit white on white. So I've got these now, so I'm going to take 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're just going to put them all together, and they have to be the same length. And then twist. Like that. And twist them all together. And then we have our little 5 petal flower. See, like that. And you can open these up. Just use like, I don't know, a pencil or something. Just do that and it'll open them up. Well, you can have them any shape you want. Okay, so we've got that. Yeah, I'm okay with that one. But then we do need to put the other ones on. So I'm going to put this here. Just going to bring them up, pull them up like that. And then in between this one and this one, I'm going to lay that one. And wrap that round. Like that. Then we've got this one and this one. To wrap another one. Right, let's get back to what we were doing. Sorry about that. So, what have I done now? Did I join that one onto there? Yeah, that one onto there. And then we've got this one here, which I'm going to join that on. Just hold them long enough, you know, don't go too long there. And then you've got one here. So I've got the 5 there. And there's the other one. Like that. So that's my double layered flower. See, I'm going to have to twist that down a little bit like that. That's it. That's the best thing about these. You can twist them if you need to. I'm going to actually do it with that one as well. But be careful, because sometimes you can snap the wire. So what I need then is another pearl in the middle. Now I have different size pearls. And I think that's the one I'm after. So what I'm going to do is just add a little bit of glue like that. And poke that in there like that. But then use the glossy, that's just to hold that in. Then use the glossy accents just around like that. Let that dry and then I can move them petals around. But look, isn't that a gorgeous flower? Because you can also alter these, because this will be cut off at the back. Eventually that will be cut off. But if I wanted to hang something from there, if I wanted to hang something from here, I've got my pearl chain. You know, all different pearl chain here. So let's find one that I can use. Yeah, that's on there, but that's pulled that down. So we need to push that back up. Like that. Don't worry about it. I'm not worried about what I'm doing at all. That's 2 on there. So you can get it right. And it's going to go. I need that hook. Where's my hook? Here we are. I need my hook and chain. Like that. So I need to open that. If I can. And then that hooks onto there. It did. So what I'm going to do now is I need to cut this. I'm just making sure that all my petals are on. And I just have to... I'm going to cut it to there. I'm not going to cut it all off. Be careful of any small wires that come off. Sorry, I can't find my pliers. I'm using my old ones. Good job I didn't throw them out. And then what we do with this one is this will get pinned back on the side like that. Oh, I've taken the bloody pearl off. You nana fee. Right, we'll just let that dry a minute. Like that. And there we go. We've got our... You can bend these in a little bit. And I just put a little tab on the back with a pin. And straight away, let me just show you. Move these things out of the way. And you have a beautiful brooch. So that goes that way and that goes there. One of those chain brooches, and that's a little brooch. The chain will hang low, and then you'll have something to hang from that on that side. I might just put all of those on another ring. Let me just see. So I've got a silver ring here somewhere. So what I'm going to do is just to unhook this one from the loop, from the claw. Take that off. Hook one of those on. And close that back up. Like that, and that's better. I can put the hook onto this one then. That's it. Okay, spin that around. That's it. Short one to the front by the hook, and you've got yourself a nice little brooch thing that you can put onto anything or even wear it. So that will come out of there, they will hang, that will hang, and then you can clip that on, and you've got 3 little dangle beads there. And there you go. Let me just move this up so you can see it. That will hang right when it's on the garment or whatever you do with it. So I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care. I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.